In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get cheap car insurance in UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general tips to find cheap car insurance in the UK. So first, you should always use online comparison websites to compare quotes from multiple insurers and find the best deal for your specific needs. So in this video, I have 4 comparison websites that you can use. We have GoCompare.com, CompareTheMarket.com, MoneySupermarket.com, and finally Mustard.co.uk. You will notice that on this website, they have plenty of options available. So on Mustard, for example, they have classic car insurance, young driver car, convicted, car insurance for women, black box business, and so on. So you can choose whichever one is best suited for you. And a lot of times you can find specific needs, such as one for your young driver. With this out of the way, next, for the actual tips. First, increase your access. A higher access, which is the amount that you pay out of pocket before your insurer covers the claim, can lower your premium. And next, limit your mileage. If you don't drive frequently, consider limiting your annual mileage to reduce your premium. You can also consider black box insurance. As you can see on Mustard, this is where it is. Black box is a little device installed in your car to track your driving habits. If your driving habits are good, safe, they will offer you discounts based on it. So consider this if you are confident on how you drive, because this will in turn reward you for your skills. You can take multiple driving courses. If you complete a recognized driving course, such as Pass Plus, this can demonstrate the skills that you have and potentially lower your premium. And next, consider multi-policy discounts. If you have other insurance policies with the same insurer, you may be eligible for discounts. So what I recommend once you find a specific car insurance that you like is to go over to these websites and then compare all the quotes. You will be able to input all of this information needed, usually including as well as the car registration, and you will be able to compare the quotes that they research for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to get cheap car insurance in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.